Hi, in this video, we are going to demo this proof of concept to give you some ideas on how you can engage your customers by allowing them to submit images using the Twilio platform and then having OpenAI analyze the images to give your business a much better understanding of what your customer wants and needs. Taking a quick look at the architecture diagram, images sent via SMS and MMS from your customers come into Twilio's platform and are routed via a webhook to your internal systems. The internal system, in this case, is built in AWS. Images that are to be processed get routed to OpenAI, and the results from OpenAI are actually an understanding of the image. And that understanding is sent to your applications and your data for a much richer engagement opportunities with your customers. Let's look at a few examples. We'll start with a basic image without any associated keywords. That gives us the default prompt, which just returns a caption for the image. And there we go, joyful dog basking in the sun. Let's try another, but this time with the prompt. We'll enter another dog photo and then give the dog keyword. That's going to trigger our proof of concept to do something different. With this prompt, we want to see if there's a dog in the photo or not, and then try to discern the breed. We were successful in this case. Let's try another example. We'll pass the dog prompt again. And sure enough, this is not a dog. Okay, now imagine if your customers can send a screenshot of their image, kind of where they're stuck on your application or website, and then get support based on that screenshot. So here's a page with an error message on it, and we've passed the screenshot keyword, and there we go. Yes, there's a warning message, and here is the error code that they received. This has huge potential to solve problems without any sort of agent interaction. The next image will give the people keyword, and that's going to check to see if there are any people present in the image. Now, this could work both ways. Do you want people in the image or not want people in the image? So here's the result here. It identified people with additional context, potentially powerful for all sorts of different applications. Continuing our tour, let's put in a shirt and try retail as the key word. So really here, we want to identify what this item is. Is it men's, women's, shirt, pants, tie, dress? Let's see what the result comes back with. And there's the result. Now imagine pairing this with a trained model of your own catalog and what the possibilities could be. Continuing that idea, let's recommend based on that same shirt. With a model trained on your catalog, imagine the possibilities of recommending complementary products. As we can see, different complementary products are made available from the OpenAI result. Bottoms, footwear, outerwear, accessories, watches, ties. Big possibilities here. Now, how about insurance claims? What if you are in an accident and you take a picture of the damage and send that to your insurance agent to get things rolling? So we'll put in an image of a damaged car with the insurance keyword, and we'll see what comes back. And we get a solid result with the base model. Again, training this model on your own data with your own business rules could take you significantly further. Let's look at appliance repairs or any household repairs. Send in a photo with the repair prompt, and we'll see what comes back. But imagine being able to diagnose a problem and potentially recommend or route to a specialist. And there's the result with key details and context. If you've ever gotten stuck assembling a piece of furniture, how about sending in a nut, screw, or bolt and finding out which tool you should use? We'll try that here. And sure enough, here's a result that certainly would be helpful and potentially avert calling support. Another business application could be on returns. So let's have a product that we want to return, shall we say. Was this our fault, or what is the situation? We'll send in the photo and see what the model says. The model correctly identifies the product and also the glass container and gives some idea of what's happened. This certainly is a foundation to move forward with a support case. So in this next example, let's categorize this image. Is it a photo? Is it a diagram? Is it a drawing? And then give a description of it. So this is actually the architectural diagram that should be familiar for this blog post. And sure enough, it categorizes it as a diagram, so that is accurate. And it gives a description that's pretty accurate, identifying text and the key elements and the key interactions between all those elements. So helpful stuff, certainly powerful. And then the last one, we've been through a lot, so I figured you may be hungry. Let's look at ingredients. Imagine taking a picture of your meal and trying to determine, or being able to determine, what's in it. So ingredients, and let's see what comes back with this popular, familiar meal. And there we go. So the key elements of a good old cheeseburger with some additional notes and disclaimers. So pretty powerful stuff. The goal of this blog post is to get you excited about the possibilities of using AI with Twilio's communication channels. What you see in this blog post would also work with WhatsApp and email using SendGrid's inbound parse capabilities, allowing your customers to send you images that you are able to understand will lead to many new exciting engagement opportunities. Thanks for watching.